Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the teeth whitening products from HiSmile. They were so generous to send me these products and to try them out for you guys. I have been trying them out for the past week and a bit, probably closer to a week and a half, and I wanted to share with you guys my experience of using it. And I also have one more treatment to do, so I was going to show you guys a demo of how I do this. The products that I've been testing out over the past week and a half are the teeth whitening kit. They also sent me the day and night toothpaste, which is really cool. I love these toothpastes. The night toothpaste actually has charcoal in it. I actually really enjoyed using both of these. So what I did was I used these two toothpastes exclusively with the whitening kit, and so this combination I hope is going to really help and we'll see a difference in my teeth. So what I did is I would brush my teeth with the night toothpaste and then put this in and kind of just be on my phone for 10 minutes before bed, and then what you have to do is you have so much of the gel and the saliva in your mouth, you have to be over a sink, otherwise you just make a mess. So I highly recommend that you be by a sink when you do this. And then I just kind of rinsed out my mouth afterwards. It's a very simple process. It comes with these two products here separately, and this is like the mouth guard that you put inside your mouth, and then this is the blue light that, I don't know, whitens your teeth, I guess. So what you do is you just kind of put them together. There's this little ridge that you can kind of pop the mouthpiece on so it kind of all stays together. So there we go, that's what it looks like. And then using one of these syringes, this syringe has enough gel for 2 uses, and it's marked very visibly of like how much you're supposed to use. So you use 1/4 of this syringe on one side of the mouth guard and then another 1/4 on the other side. And I try and get it all the way up the sides too, because you don't want to have like 2 really white front teeth and then like yellow ones on the side. So now that the syringe is done, this is my very last one. I'm kind of sad that this kit is over after this because I think that it did a good job. And it's like the easiest thing that you could do. It's so much easier than those white strips because they always fall off and they are really nasty to taste. This doesn't really taste like anything. It just kind of tastes like a light toothpaste, like a minty taste. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's gel on either side of the mouthpiece, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this light on and then put it inside. Okay guys, so that was the treatment that I do every single day. 10 minutes using this blue light and the mouth guard, and that is all you need to do. It was really easy to add into my nighttime routine. All I did was I take off my makeup, put on my skincare, brush my teeth with the nighttime toothpaste, and then I put this in for 10 minutes, and then I just kind of lie on my phone in my bed just kind of waiting for it to go off. And then I just spit out all the gel and that's it. The first couple times I rinsed out my mouth, but I found that afterwards I didn't really need to. My teeth are sensitive to begin with, so I was kind of worried about how it would affect my teeth and if it would make like hot and cold drinks sensitive to my teeth or anything like that. But I feel like the gel that they use is really gentle on your teeth and it doesn't actually hurt them at all. The only thing that I found was that if I wasn't paying attention, I would clench this mouth guard really tightly if I wasn't paying attention to it, and I kind of felt like my teeth were a little bit achy afterwards, but that is really just my issue. I wasn't paying attention and being gentle on my teeth. When my teeth would get kind of achy, I would just kind of hold this up instead of my teeth having to do it. It's a really easy product to use. You just have to get used to using it in your routine and figuring out what works for you. They do recommend that you don't eat before and after using this, so that's why I did it before bed, because I wasn't going to eat for like the whole night. A really great thing about this is once you purchase this, then you can just repurchase the gels and you already have this with you, so it makes it really easy to just kind of refill and do it based on how yellow your teeth are and how white you want your teeth to be. So this product was really easy to use. I did find that my teeth were a little bit sensitive just by clenching it for a very long time, and that's kind of why I took like a day or 2 off. But 6 days is really not that much, and I find that if you're really dedicated, you could easily do that. The toothpaste that they sent over to me were really helpful. I use them every single day, and I liked using them, honestly. They are gonna last me a very long time because I only use a little bit each day. And I like the idea that they have a day one that's white and a night one that's charcoal, because I know that charcoal is also really great for your teeth and helps to whiten them as well. So it kind of helps the process a little bit and kind of pushes it along faster. I also want to mention that before I started using these toothpastes, I used Sensodyne toothpaste because my teeth are really sensitive, and I didn't find that these toothpastes affected my teeth at all. I'm usually really sensitive to like Crest and Colgate and things like that, and that's why I don't use the strips, because I find that they make my teeth too sensitive and they just don't work for me. I found that these were comparable to like a Sensodyne toothpaste in the fact that they didn't make my teeth more sensitive than they already are. So I recommend these if you guys use Sensodyne or if you use like another gentle toothpaste brand, because these definitely didn't hurt my teeth at all. In fact, my teeth feel really great. So overall, using these products with HiSmile was a really positive experience, and I really enjoyed the process of whitening my teeth. I think that I didn't really realize how much I wanted my teeth to be whiter until I started using these products. Whitening your teeth is kind of something that you want to do, but you sometimes don't have time for it, or you just kind of don't worry about it too much. And I think that when they sent me these products, they really pushed me to try and make my teeth whiter and kind of realize what I'm putting on my teeth. I am a huge tea and coffee drinker. I drink coffee in the morning all the time, and I drink a tea at night, and I can see the difference in color in my teeth. And so using these products has kind of pushed me to kind of be more aware of what my teeth are looking like and trying to kind of push getting them whiter. I think for me, these products are more of a preventative, or almost just to kind of counteract all the tea and coffee I drink, because I don't see myself stopping drinking coffee anytime soon. So I figured that using a teeth whitener would kind of help balance out the coffee and tea that I drink. Even if my teeth aren't like the number one white on this card, I'm still okay with that because I know I'm not gonna give up coffee. So basically, overall, using HiSmile was a really positive experience for me, and I really loved how their products are very gentle and I don't have to worry about my teeth being very sensitive after I use them. And it also helped my teeth not get any more stained. So now that I did my last treatment with you guys, and now that I kind of talked a little bit more about the products and how they were really gentle on my teeth and there wasn't any issue of using them, I'm going to test out to see if they actually whiten my teeth over the week and a half of using this product. I don't really want to show this because putting a piece of white paper close to my teeth is like the last thing I want to do on camera. So I will just tell you guys what number I'm at now versus what I was before. Okay, so I put this paper up to my teeth and I really didn't see a huge difference. There's not a huge difference between 3 and 4 on the picture anyway, but my teeth are kind of in between those two right now, and they're definitely not a 2, which was kind of what I was hoping for. I'm gonna continue to use the toothpaste, keep you guys posted, see if anything changes. And if not, maybe what I'll do is I'll order some more of the gels to see if I just need more time and more treatments. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this review and kind of gave you an insight of what the HiSmile products are like. I recommend getting the toothpaste because if you guys have sensitive teeth like me, it's a really great way to whiten your teeth, and it's just a very gentle product. So I'm really happy about that because that was the number one thing I was worried about, is them hurting my teeth and making them feel really weak. So that definitely didn't happen. It's just a matter of taking more time to use these products, I think, in order to get the results that I'm looking for. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.